Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new, I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content here on this channel, and today we're going to be completing this look together. I kind of wanted to do an old school video where I just do my makeup. I thought that might be fun. I really was inspired by the colors and the textures of fall, so I just wanted to do a really simple and attainable makeup look, but still have those like cozy fall vibes, if you know what I mean. So sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright you guys, this is the completed look. It's all finished. I just wanted something super fall, super warm and cozy with a little bit of glitz and glam with the glitter. So I think we accomplished that today. Please let me know if you like this style video down below in the comments. I just love your guys' feedback. It really helps me kind of curate the videos that I put out, and I love to have your involvement in the videos that I create. So thank you very much. It was so fun just sitting down, doing my makeup, enjoying the process, and then sharing that with you guys as well. So if you like this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.